All right, guys, today we're going to sun bleach this plank. I've got a couple awesome planks I'm going to put in my house, but I want to get them bleached. So from what I understand, I need some bleach water and some sun. And so we're going to do that. We're going to see what happens. Look in the bucket. So here we have bleach. I think it's about 2 to 1 bleach and water, and I think it might be enough. So supposedly, if we bleach this in the sun, it'll make this look all brand new. So just take it. I don't know how much I gotta rub. Probably gonna talk over this.
I thought the guy just said squirt it.
I thought he said just, yeah, rub it on it. But, I mean, that looks nice.
Yes, it does.
That looks better.
Not the color I initially expected, but it will match the chandelier wood very well.
Yeah, it's still got a little bit of an old look.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's completely transforming it. I kind of like this old look, but it is dirt. So.
I almost turned the camera sideways.
Such a thing to see in your life. We're gonna have to cut this in. I can't use that. Yeah, that's quite a bit different. So this is what our beams look like before, and this is what that one's looking like right now. Pretty awesome. Get those two together. Sun bleach. So here are our beams after we've bleached them. Probably could have done a little more on some of that, but I think it looks great. It's in our bathroom, holding up a wall. I'll probably stain it later, but I don't know, it's pretty cool. Way different than when I first got them, so yeah.